Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you some last minute Christmas fun that we forgot about. Well, I forgot about. Let's be honest here, it was all on me.
We are getting very close to the cut-off here, but what a festive looking box we have here.
Yeah, so these are just good fun products just for Christmas. So both PAMP products, they've released their, as they do this time of year, they usually do some form of a joint venture with PEZ, and they produce these Christmassy things. So one year we had a Santa Claus.
Yes, we had the Santa Claus in previously.
Yeah, and this year they've done the nutcracker. So it comes in this groovy, I should put it back together, shouldn't I? Comes in this groovy presentation, very Christmassy box. Very festively coloured.
Very on theme for sure.
And then inside you have a genuine
PEZ
dispenser. And it can be filled with the normal PEZs. It still works as fully operational. These are fantastic. I love these things. But this is a bit of an extra special one. It doesn't come with the normal sugary PEZs. This one's a bit of a silver hit. So these are actually, I don't know if Ruben can get close enough on it.
I will be relying on a macro lens for these ones, but we've got 6 5-gram individual PEZ pure silver pieces there.
Yeah, and they are genuine non-sugar PEZ, to a point where they stick on the back, and I don't know if you can even read that. Do not eat. Choking hazard.
Yeah, I was going to say, when your entire company previously is centered around making something that is edible, and then suddenly you do a cross promotion thing where it's suddenly not edible, yeah, you got to be a little bit careful. So yeah, not edible, but very, very cool nonetheless.
Even the box holding them,
yes,
it's got the PEZ stamped into it, and these actually do fit into the PEZ holder. And I can't do it now because I'll make a mess of it on camera, but they actually feed in there, and you can actually use them as real PEZs, right up to the point where you don't eat them.
Absolutely. We even had someone last time give us the Santa one, the regular PEZ version of the Santa production. So thank you to the person that gave us that. But yeah, very, very cool to see them do this.
Yeah. So they are 4.9s silver, 30 grams. Look, you're not buying them at spot price or anything along those sort of lines. They are a bit pricier, as you would expect with these types of things.
And incurring GST as well.
Yeah, but they're good fun. They're limited to 2,500 worldwide, so very limited production. And look, they're a great way, like we always come back to with these things, they're a great way to introduce others to the joys of precious metals. So, whether it be kids or other family members, it's the trip down memory lane and that good fun. Because I know my teenagers go nuts over these things. No pun intended, with the old nutcracker.
Uh-huh.
So we'll put that missing a part. We'll put that back together later. And I didn't turn my phone on silent.
You can just hear how popular you are.
And then we've got this one, which is just beautiful. Very Christmas-esque. Very European Christmas. I am going to put that on silent. It's just going to keep singing in the background. I apologise for that. So this one, you've got the winter sleigh ride. Comes in this very groovy box, and you can see there still an ounce of 4.9 silver and very limited down to that 2,500 pieces. But it slides out, and it's just a beautiful coin. And it comes with a little hanger to hang it on your tree.
Very nice to see
a
few of the different companies adopt that.
Yeah. So that incredible snowman scene with his family on the candy cane sleigh.
Very cool. And over the page, King Charles and a little bit of a festive...
with all the Christmas trees.
Very cool.
And candy canes. I hadn't noticed the candy canes when I saw it last.
And some snowflakes as well.
So a beautiful product from PAMP. Again, just a lot of fun. I love this time of year. They bring out these fun... I don't know what you call them, coins, presentations, things. Yes, they're a bit pricey, but it adds that fun to your stack. And like I said, it's great for a decoration, and it's great for that talking point with others about precious metals, which is obviously what we're all about, is that education side. So lots of fun running in the last run up to Christmas.
Yes, we do need to talk about shipping dates, Michael, because we are running fairly close to the end of when we will be sending stuff out, and when people will be getting gifts before Christmas.
So get all your orders in by kind of this Friday, so Friday the 12th. make your payments. That way it clears over the weekend, because our last shipping day is Monday the 15th of December. So if you're needing them shipped out to you, get that order in super quick, get the payment made so we can actually get it out the door to you in plenty of time for Christmas.
Great as a little Christmas gift for someone in your life that you may have been, the stacker in your life that you may have been wondering what to get for them. Yeah. But yeah, some very cool offerings from PAMP here, and yeah, always exciting to see what they come up with. Thank you very much, Michael.
No worries.
We'll see you in the next one.
Sounds good. See you soon.